There's a few important details you have to know about testing silver with acid. The acid itself can go bad. I'll show you how to test the acid first. Here's a British sterling silver knife that I know is silver because it's tested positive many times. Right here is a spoon that I suspect is silver, but it's not marked. No matter how close I look at it, I don't see a 925, I don't see a sterling mark. To verify that the acid is in good shape, first I'll test this, then I'll test this and compare the two. When you make the mark on the stone, pick a part of the knife that you're not concerned about damaging it. Make the mark really dark and kind of small like that. To keep the stone clean, make sure the acid covers the entire mark. If you look at the base of the stone, you can clearly see that this is like a very distinctive brownish red color, which is the presence of silver. Now that we've verified that the acid is in good shape, we'll go ahead and scrape the spoon that we're not sure if it's silver in the same fashion. We'll cover the entire mark with the acid and see if we get the same result. You can see that same reddish brown color, so this would indicate that this spoon is silver. Just to show you something that's clearly not silver, this is stainless, we'll go ahead and make a mark so you can see the difference. First, you can see that mark there is not as dark. We'll put the acid on and make sure that you don't get this on your hands. If you look at the base of the pool, you don't see that brownish red that you do on the other ones. If anything, it looks a little green, but not at all like what the sterling silver is. When I examined this spoon very closely, I actually found the mark. It's very, very small, and it's a little different. It doesn't say 925, it doesn't say sterling, it says 800. 800 would be used in places like Germany. As you can see, this would be a very Swiss spoon. Here in the bark pattern, you can see 800 is stamped in there. The next question is, how do you clean your stone with all this acid on there? I use something disposable like a paper towel. Because the acid is completely covering all the metal, I'll just be able to wipe it off and make sure that the stone is really clean. Now you can see the stone is very clean and ready for the next test.